So your credit score can increase different amounts. It really just depends. Everybody should see some type of change in their credit score every month, especially if they have different things like credit cards, reporting, and things like that. But I always tell people you could see about a 5 to 70, 80 points increase, depending on what you have going on. But you also can see a decrease. So don't just think of an increase, because you definitely can see a decrease. Now, when we thinking about how much it can increase in a month, we also have to think about what are you doing. So if you just have your credit cards and you're just paying on them, you're not doing any like tricks, and you're not trying to boost your credit score on purpose, your credit score may not go as high as other people that's trying to actually increase their credit score. So if you're doing things like, hey, I'm trying to remove some of these collections from my credit reports because they're inaccurate and they're not verified, then when you start working to remove those people can see 50, 60, 70 points increase getting those accounts removed, other than the person that's just paying on their credit cards, and they may see 20 points, 10 points here. It depends on what their credit score is, right? So it really will depend, but definitely make sure you guys check out the 60 points in 60 days. You can try to figure out what you have to do to really see